Oh look, Nathan, come on, man. Waiting on you. So you I was here with the complaint about red beanie. Red beanie, sniper with red beanie not taking his hits.
Sniper?
It's always you.
Sniper? Oh. Yeah.
It's always you. There's a ghillie up there with him.
I'm not
Red
giving
beanie on.
Can someone take that off for me? And then put the other one on?
Seems like a motherfucker did a half day today.
Yeah. Well, this is good that we came at the same time, guys.
Yeah. We'd have been well in trouble. I've also got my caddy. Just in case. He's due out any moment. I was like, Tom, can you give me my caddy again? The bag's full. He was like, fine, I'm not going to start charging for it.
Yeah, no, I say.
You've already been receiving that payment. Of course, coming. Let's trip over stump.
I don't want to. It's like a bundle. Rail.
No, it's not mine.
Someone went a little off the rail, to be fair.
Yeah, I could have gone somewhere there.
Next is working on my gun now. What's on it? Yeah, but it needs a new gearbox. No, it needs a new gearbox. The gearbox casing is it won't take repairing and it's starting to fracture on my cyber gun. Yeah, it's only 4 months old when it went tits up on me.
Are you all finished with that one then, or are you still working?
Oh, I'm still using this one.
Yeah.
Then there would be a choice of once to get my guns back, which one to use. Well, I've got to get a new stock for this one because they put this back on the Tango.
Yeah.
The Tango one, I got my box case. That only thing I'll be putting that is the warhead motor in it, which I can do myself, and
I find everything
put the top ball bearing. That's all I'm going to do to that one.
Is that a long shaft or a short shaft motor?
Long shaft. M4, isn't it?
Are all M4s long shaft?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I've left them off at cart.
If it's a 3.3 gearbox, then it's a short shaft. It's a 3.2.
Sorry, not coming out for
He was on gate.
Green maps are halfway. You still can't go past halfway. We'll stay on full auto because there's a halfway line. Unlimited lives. Back to blue wraps. Touch when you're back in. Questions?
Would you go for helicopter, right?
Yeah. Alright, green at the bottom then for me. Orange at the top.
Which colour am I to get there?
So I want to ask for rebalance between the base and actually just gave you on that. There's many more. That's what I said.
The caddy's walking away.
You're dead right, actually. Oh, I get back to the
There, Nathan. Green's got the 2 winning from people from winning team this morning. Give you a bit of a chance now.
What's the Heli. I'm cold. How many people are there?
Nah, it's not cold.
Freezing.
No, it's not.
I'm wearing a hoodie over my top. And I've got a coat on.
You won't be saying it's freezing when you start running around.
Yeah. Not wrong.
Right, Greens, you ready?
No. No.
You know when it's cold, and when the woody hat do know it's cold. Get on board.
Fucking leg it, mate. That's what we're doing.
See a bit of hair?
A little bit around the sides.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stack on.
Got like a fry tuck haircut.
Ah, shit, got to shave it all off. Shave it all off.
Carrying more shit.
That's what Nate's sister says. Soda paddles for sex machine. all the bay. I went to one. There's a music festival. But I better put some cream on my dome.
Starts in 3, 2, 1. Game on!
Oh my god. Oh my life, I'm not. They're on the heavy boys.
Oh, that's still good eye. That didn't get you.
Well, take it.
Yep, right for me.
I'm going to put one in, alright? Yep.
There's two in the bunker, isn't there?
Well, take it.
Darren Nathan's on the green team as well.
Like the what?
Nathan's on the green team as well. He's gone up the top there.